Kentucky Drug Chicken, fuck yeah!
This is Tim. He's our guy. He's 27 years old. He comes from a well-situated family. He has a steady income from a 9-to-5 job in the IT sector. He lives in a huge house in the richest suburb of the town. He has a wife you can only dream of. He has one son, 3 years old, and he had already shown the signs of being extremely intelligent. Just to look at him, he looks like he doesn't give a shit about anything. He already knows his son is going to be a famous mathematician or violinist or something like that. And right now, he's probably listening to some original Beatles LP, probably even signed by John Lennon himself. Do you want to be like him? Of course, everyone wants to be like our Tim. But do you know why he's living like that right now? Because his money is in our hands.